Hello, my friends. This is 1111 Outdoors, and this is the Leatherman Bond. Working in an office periodically, I choose to carry what I consider a gentleman's tool when I'm doing that. I kind of refine my office carry to be something a little more elegant than, say, I would carry on the shop floor. Like on the shop floor, it's P4 all the way, all day, every day. Now, the Bond gives you a variety in your carry where you can switch up and have something a little bit more elegant, a little bit more refined. Now, I don't know if they named it this for, after Ian Fleming's James Bond, but I could see that. I mean, it's very elegant, it's very refined, it's an excellent gentleman's carry, but it is very capable as well. And you have an awl, two flat drivers, one of them fairly beefy. You have a aggressive file, lanyard ring. You have this bottle opener, can opener, wire stripper multi-tool that is always a welcome addition. And you have these two tools. You have a blade that's profile is very reminiscent to the rebar. And you also have this Phillips driver, also very reminiscent to the rebar. This tool definitely took inspiration from the rebar. When you look at them side by side, that's pretty self-evident. But look how much more refined the Bond is. Less complicated, a little bit more dignified. It is, in my opinion, one of the classier multi-tools you can carry in the Leatherman lineup. And it falls somewhere in what I call upper level budget. You have budget, upper level budget, and then you have basically their line of tools. This one's fairly inexpensive for what you get. It's a great tool. Clean, classic lines. Even the plier head. No nonsense there. No replaceable wire cutters. Everything's refined and very, very nice. Throughout the tool, you just see this architecture that is extremely elegant. Now, one thing that drove me crazy about the rebar was that it did not have the ability to put a pocket clip on this thing. Now, you can do some crazy mod and get one on there for sure, but you shouldn't have to. The Bond comes with these two holes tapped. So you can get a free series pocket clip and throw it right on there. Or if you like it to just be clean, no clip at all, you have that choice. But even with the free series clip on there, I feel it has an elegance to it. I feel it's nice. A little bit more capability. I think that all multi-tools should come with a clip, and I'm glad to see that this one has that ability. Should it have come with it? Yeah, for sure. But I don't know. They decided not to put it in there for whatever reason. The curl comes with a clip, but for some reason they decided not to put it in there with the Bond. Not sure who makes those decisions, but that's something they should probably think about. Now, is the Bond right for you? Could be. If you're looking for more elegant and refined carry, something with some classic lines and the architecture's very pleasing, something that's not near as aggressive or complicated as other tools that clearly you can see all of the business ends, then this might be for you. There's kind of a mystery going on here because you can't tell what's inside. And just like, James Bond, there's elegance and capability in a very, very elegant package. Very refined package. I love the look of the Bond. I like to carry it. It is extremely fun. So if you're looking for a gentleman's carry, you can't really go wrong with the Leatherman Bond. I just want to say thank you to anybody who's subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed, then please do that. It helps me help you. I get to bring more stuff to the channel. I get to expose you to more tools and more theories here and there. I I want to share my thoughts with you, and I'd love for you guys to share your thoughts with me. I'd like to build a family and a community of like-minded people who really enjoy this stuff. So, thank you for your subscription. I look forward to bringing many, many more videos to you in the future, and I have some giveaways planned. So, if you're not a subscriber, get on with it. Let's do this. Let's make a community here. We'll talk to you soon. 1111 Outdoors. Have a great day.